So now we're going to see how to generate a random sample in Excel. So this is the blank spreadsheet that you have. And these are 8 individuals. And from these 8 individuals, I want to choose a sample of size 4, a random sample of size 4. To put this in the context of a problem we've looked at, this could be the problem at the beginning of chapter 3, where we wanted to see if the intensity of a color affected a person's ability to memorize some numbers. And remember, we had 2 different groups, the high intensity and the low intensity color group. And maybe I want to choose 4 of these people for the high intensity color group. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to assign each individual a random number between 0 to 1. And we do this in Excel with the rand command. So I'm going to start off typing equals RA. Notice Excel gives you a list of all the commands it has starting with RA. I'm going to click on RAND one time. And notice I see a description of this command, and this is what I want. And I'm simply going to hit equals. You can put things inside this command. You could even close out the parentheses, but you don't have to. I'm just going to hit enter. And there's a random number between 0 to 1 assigned to this person. Now, I could repeat this command. I could type this in for each of these individuals, but I'm simply going to use the drop-down command to simplify things. So notice that when I hover my cursor over the lower right portion of that cell, I see this little plus sign. I'm going to left click, and while I'm holding the left click, I'm going to drag the cursor down, and this will generate a random number for everyone at the same time. Now, one thing to be careful about when you're using the rand command, anytime that you do anything in this spreadsheet, it's going to change these numbers. So notice this first person is 0.1859. If I do a simple arithmetic command, notice it changes everything. And I don't want that. I want these numbers to stay fixed, or I want to work with a fixed set of numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste these numbers as values. And that way they won't change. They won't be linked to any command. So notice the first number is 0.14644. And I'm going to paste them as values. And notice these numbers change, but these won't. The ones that I pasted as values now will retain their value. They won't change. All right. And so there's the random numbers that I've generated. I've assigned to each person one random number between 0 to 1. I'm going to format it, make it look a little nicer. We can practice our format commands. And there we are. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort these random numbers that have been generated so we can practice our sort command. I'm going to click on the column I want to sort, go to the data tab at the top, choose sort, make sure that expand the selection is checked. Usually by default it is. Then click sort. And I want to sort by the random numbers. I want to sort these values. And you can use smallest to largest, largest to smallest. It doesn't really matter. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the first 4 smallest values, and that'll be my random sample of size 4. And that's how we create a random sample in Excel.